Hello everyone. Today we're reviewing a high-end cordless cleaning solution built for deep cleaning, convenience, and professional level results: the NARWAL S30 Pro Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner. If you want a versatile vacuum and mop combo that works efficiently on hard floors, handles pet hair, and keeps maintenance to a minimum, this model is designed to deliver exactly that. The S30 Pro starts with powerful 20,000 PA suction, giving it the strength to lift dirt, debris, and fine dust from hard floors with ease. It's perfect for busy households, pet owners, and anyone who wants floors that feel freshly cleaned after every session. The suction power is paired with optimized airflow for stable performance throughout the cleaning cycle. One of the standout features is its Tangle-Free hair cutting system, which prevents hair from wrapping around the roller. This is a huge advantage for homes with pets or long-haired family members, keeping the suction consistent and reducing manual maintenance. For mopping, the S30 Pro uses an advanced wet-dry cleaning system with self-cleaning at 194 degrees Fahrenheit. The mop pads are continuously washed and sanitized, preventing streaks and ensuring hygienic cleaning without any extra effort. The vacuum can also lie flat at 180 degrees, allowing it to reach under furniture, sofas, and beds for a more thorough clean. Maintenance is effortless thanks to the disposable waste bag system. After each session, dust, debris, and hair are automatically collected into a hygienic bag for easy removal, minimizing contact with dirt. The robot also features precise edge cleaning, sweeping along corners and wall edges where dirt often accumulates. Navigation is intelligent and adaptive. The vacuum avoids obstacles, plans efficient routes, and optimizes cleaning patterns across your home. With app-based control, you can set schedules, choose cleaning modes, and manage cleaning zones for fully automated operation. Whether you're tackling everyday dust, sticky spills, pet hair, or hard-to-reach corners, the NARWAL S30 Pro Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner combines powerful suction, smart mopping, and hands-free maintenance in one versatile device. Check the Amazon link below to grab one for your home, and don't forget to subscribe for more detailed tech product reviews.